Are you looking for a creamy, mildly spiced dal which reminds you of Delhi? Then this recipe, which is very popular in Indian restaurants, is for you. Join us as we show you an easy method to make this at your home. Welcome to Rannar Osmita, and we are making Dal Bukhara. To prepare the dal, start by soaking the whole Urad dal overnight. Yes, this step is important as this helps cook the dal faster and make it creamier. Then wash the pulses thoroughly in running water. Add the Urad dal to the pressure cooker. Add an adequate amount of water to this along with some whole garlic cloves for the flavor, some refined oil to prevent the dal from spilling over when it's being pressure cooked, Kashmiri chili powder for the color, and a little bit of salt to taste. Remember, we will add butter later in the recipe which will have salt in it, so add accordingly. Stir and mix the ingredients and bring it to a boil. Then cover and pressure cook on simmer for 3 whistles. Let the steam release naturally and mash the dal to make it creamy and thick. Next, for tempering the dal, in a kadhai, heat some desi ghee. Once the ghee has melted, add shahi jeera, hing, ginger paste and garlic paste. Cook over high to medium flame until the raw aroma disappears and your kitchen is fragrant with smells of all the spices. Then add Kashmiri chili powder, spicy chili powder and some tomato puree. Cook the tomato puree with the spices over medium heat until the fat separates. Once the ghee is visible, add the boiled pulses to the kadhai. Stir the dal with the spice mix and bring it to a boil. Then, for the flavoring, add coriander powder, cumin powder, a bit of garam masala, and some crushed kasuri methi. Over medium heat, stir and cook the spices with the dal for 2 to 3 minutes to extract all its flavors. Then, for the finishing touches, add juliennes of ginger, slit green chilies, and a lot of butter. The butter we add here will take your dish to the next level, so please do not skimp on it. Then take off the flame, stir and sprinkle some more kasuri methi. Cover and give it about 10 minutes of resting time. After resting, you will see the dal has thickened and it should have a pouring consistency like this. So why eat out when you can make a healthy and yummy dish like this at home? Before serving, garnish it with some fresh cream, a dollop of desi ghee and coriander leaf. Have this with some parathas and sliced onions and this will be a hit at your table. And if you love this recipe, give this video a like, and until next time, happy cooking!